Hey y'all, it is me, Big Devil. So anyway, I'm gonna record the animals at the state fair. They got some, I think roosters here. They got some, chicken, some roosters. Let's see what else we got. They got this rooster right there. They got some goose right there. Hey goose, hey goose. They got some roosters. Ugh, look how nasty the water is. Let's see what else we can find. They got a rooster out there. So anyway, let's go around and find some more animals. So anyway, how y'all all been today? So I had the safe fair, everything. Got a wait line and everything. Hope y'all are doing good here today. Oh look, it got a horse out there. A baby horse. And it got a goat. They got a goat right there. Hey, goaty goat. Oh, look at that pig. I like that pig right there. Hey, horse. Some more horses. Yeah. They got a rabbit over there. Oh, they got some baby pigs right here. Hey, piggies. Hey, piggies. Hey, goat. Got a goat right there. Hey, goaty goat. Hey, goat. Wow, look how big the cow is. That is a big cow. Got a big cow out there. Got a big cow. Got a big cow. So anyway, let's see what else we can find. Walk back in the barn. Inside of a barn. Show y'all some more chickens. Some chickens right here. Some chickens. Oh, look at it. It's eating chickens. Yeah. They got pigs over here? I think I see some pigs. Some pigs right there. Oh, look how cute they are. Yeah, so anyway. What is that pig doing? What's that pig licking that other pig's butt? Wow. So anyway, hey.